Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about that even and odd functions. What is even function and odd function? So even function, let f of x is belongs to R and the f of x is a function Now if f of minus x which is equal to f of x, then we can call even function is even function if f of minus x which is equal to minus f of x, so we can call as a odd function, an odd function. So in place of x in a function, if you substitute minus x, the resulting function you will get f of x, then we can call as a even function. The resulting function is minus of f of x, we can call as a odd function. So let us see some example. So f of x is equal to a power of x minus a power of minus x plus sine x. Check whether it is even or odd. Even or odd. So we have to check whether it is even function or odd function. So for that, what we have to do? We have to substitute in place of x minus x. So you will get a power of minus x minus of a power of minus x plus sine minus x. We know that sine minus theta which is equal to minus sine theta, right? So now a power of minus x minus of a power of minus plus x, sine minus x is minus sine x. So it's not looking like f of x. We have to convert this function into f of x. So how can we convert into f of x? So now this is, let us take minus as a common. You will get minus a power of minus x plus a power of x plus sine x. So this is equal to a power of x, this a power of x and minus a power of minus x plus sine x. Is it look like same? A power of x minus a power of minus x plus sine x. So this we can written as minus of f of x. This total we can written as f of x. So here we got it, f of x is equal to minus of f of x. F of x is equal to minus of f of x. So according to the condition, if f of minus x, sorry here minus x, f of minus x, sorry, here f of minus x. So right, f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, we can call as a odd function. So which function it is? It is odd function. So therefore f of x is an odd function. Odd function. Okay. So we'll see some more examples. Here one more problem. F of x is equal to x whole e power of x minus 1 divided by e power of x plus 1. Check whether it is even or odd. Even or odd. So first of all we have to substitute f of minus x. In place of x substitute minus x. So you will get minus x e power of minus x minus 1 divided by e power of minus x plus 1. So now we simplify minus x. So e power of minus x, a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. So in that formula, if you write it that e power of x, so we can write as 1 by e power of x minus 1 divided by 1 by e power of x plus 1. So now minus x, this when you take LCM, 1 minus e power of x divided by 1 plus e power of x. Why? Because in the denominator e power of x, here also e power of x, both will be cancelled. You left over only 1 minus e power of x plus divided by 1 plus e power of x. So now here minus x, but actually f of x is given x into e power of x minus 1 and e power of x plus 1. But here we got it minus 1 minus e power of x divided by 1 plus e power of x. So if you take minus as a common, so e power of x minus 1 divided by e power of x plus 1. Right. So minus into minus, you will get plus x e power of x minus 1 divided by e power of x plus 1. But it is looking like a x into e power of x minus 1 divided by e power of x plus 1. So both are same. So this we can write as f of x. So first of all, first what we are taking, minus x. Finally we got it f of x. So since therefore f of x, which is equal to therefore f of minus x, which is equal to what we got here, f of x. So we are taken minus x, but finally we got it f of x. So therefore what kind of function it is? Even function. So therefore it is f of x is an even function. Even function. Even function. So we'll see one more example. Here we have f of x, which is equal to log of x plus under root of x square plus 1. So check whether it is even or odd. Even or odd. So even function or odd function. How can we prove this? F of x is equal to log of x plus under root of x plus 1 is given. So we need to substitute f of minus x. So log of minus x plus under root of minus x whole square plus 1. So log of minus x plus under root of minus x whole square is x square plus 1. Now, so we can't take minus as directly common. What we have to do? So log of here under root of x square plus 1 minus x divided by rationalizing. I am doing here rationalizing. Under root of x square plus 1, here minus is there, will take plus into under root of x square plus 1 plus x. So rationalizing. So by rationalizing, you will get this one. So now log of a minus b up to here a minus b, here a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b, what you will get? So a square minus b square. So under root of x square plus 1 whole square minus x square. So divided by, this is as it is, x square plus 1 plus x. Now you simplify this, log of here this will be cancelled, x square plus 1 minus x square divided by under root of x square plus 1 plus x. So x square will be cancelled. So now log of 1 by x plus under root of x square plus 1. So why? Because here x plus is there, plus we can write a plus b is equal to b plus c, a commutative property it can hold. So therefore we can write under root of x square plus 1 plus x, we can write as x plus under root of x square plus 1. So like this also we can write. So now you see that, so 1 by it is there. So we know that 1 by x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of minus n. So the same formula we can apply here. So that is equal to log of x plus under root of x square plus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. So minus 1 will come to here, because log of a to the power of m is equal to m log a. So this is the formula we have, and this is also formula we have since. So we'll get it here, minus log of x plus under root of x square plus 1. So but according to the problem here, f of x is equal to log of x plus under root of x square plus 1. We got it the same here. So therefore minus f of x. Therefore f of minus x, which is equal to minus f of x. So what we call f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. It is an odd function. So f of x is an odd function. Odd function. Like this we can find the even and odd functions. Here the one more question. F of x is equal to x divided by e power of x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. So we have to check either it is even or odd function. So to check even or odd function, we need to substitute in place of x minus x. So when you substitute minus x, you will get minus x divided by e power of minus x minus 1 plus minus x by 2 plus 1. So now minus x divided by this we already we done in a previous, x power of minus n is equal to 1 by x power of n. So the same formula we are applying here. You will get 1 by e power of x minus 1. So plus into minus, minus x by 2 plus 1. So now minus x divided by, when you take the LCM, you will get 1 minus e power of x divided by e power of x minus x by 2 plus 1. So now this e power of x will goes to up. You will get minus x e power of x divided by 1 minus e power of x minus x by 2 plus 1. But here in the problem is given e power of x minus 1. But here we got it 1 minus e power of x. So we can take minus as a common here. So minus of x into e power of x divided by e power of x minus 1. So we are taken minus as a common. Minus x by 2 plus 1. So both minus will be cancelled here. So both minus will be cancelled here. So you will get x into e power of x. So what I am doing here, I am adding here plus 1 and minus 1. So for this, what I am doing here, I am adding plus 1 and minus 1. So both will be cancelled. You will get again e power of x only. So divided by here e power of x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. So now multiply it. So up to here e power of x minus 1 is there. So here minus, let us take plus. Up to here one part and this is another part. So you will expand this. X into e power of x minus 1 is one part and e power of x minus 1 plus x into 1 x by e power of x minus 1 minus of x by 2 plus 1. Okay, so now both will be cancelled. X is left over and here minus x by 2 minus x by 2 plus x by e power of x minus 1 plus 1. So we know that x minus x by 2, that you will get x by 2. X by 2 plus x by e power of x minus 1 plus 1. So now interchange, like change the terms in this equation. So x by e power of x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. So this is x by e power of x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1 is a f of x. So here we got it f of x. So this is equal to f of x. So therefore what we should write? Therefore f of x, f of minus x, f of minus x is equal to f of x. Therefore f of x is an even function. F of x is an even function. So like this we can find the even function and odd functions. So you can practice more for better understanding.